If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome back to another episode of Lall's Kitchen. And today we're gonna be making a healthy and creamy soup with broccoli. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are 1 broccoli, which is roughly chopped and weigh roughly around 500 grams. Then 2 onion and 1 carrot, which are also roughly chopped. Then 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder, and some salt to taste. Then around 3 cups of vegetable stock or water. You can use either of them, but if you want a restaurant style taste, then I will recommend you to use the vegetable stock. And if you want to know how to make that, I will give a link in the description box below for the vegetable stock recipe. Now take a large pan and first add about a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of butter. And why we need the oil? Just to prevent the butter from burning. So once the butter melts, add all the cumin seeds and wait for a few seconds till you hear them pop. Then add all the green chilies along with all the vegetables. Those are the onion, carrot and the broccoli. Now saute these on high flame for about 5 minutes, and if needed, add just a little bit of water. Then after that, switch off the flame, transfer these into a blender, let it cool down completely, then blend to make a smooth paste. And now you know why this is called cream of broccoli soup. Then in the same pan, add again 1 tablespoon of oil along with some butter. But this time, add about 2 tablespoons of refined flour or wheat flour. And over medium flame, cook for a minute to get rid of the raw flavor. Then add the milk a little by little, so it will be easy for us to mix it really well with the flour mixture without any lumps. So don't add all the milk at once. And this mixture will be the cream base for the broccoli soup. And once it's well combined, add all the broccoli paste we made with the blender. Then combine it really well. Then after that, you can add 3 cups of water or vegetable stock. And now you can increase the flame. Now give it a good mix and let it cook for 4-5 minutes. Then finally, season it with some black pepper and salt. And that's it, cream of broccoli soup. Do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.